Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm bringing you a video on 3 home-cooked pantry meals. I am not doing the 3 Rivers Pantry Challenge in the month of February, but I thought I would just continue to make like 1 or 2 videos a month on some meals I made. And this is just kind of a shorter video. I decided I had these chickens in the freezer, and I wanted to put one in the crock pot. I didn't exactly know what I was doing with it yet. I kind of just made it up, but I put some seasonings on there, rubbed some butter, and then I had these dehydrated onions. And then I did add a little bit of water to the bottom. I let that cook for a few hours, and then I added some potatoes and carrots. I did get these pasture-raised birds from Azure Standard, and they're really, really delicious. Small little birds, so I really love having these in my freezer. And then for dinner that night, I ended up making a chicken sandwich, and then my husband ended up just having the legs and the potatoes and carrots and leftover broccoli with some homemade barbecue sauce. So that was dinner that night for us. For the next night, I just did a kind of an array of a few things, and I started by hard boiling some eggs. And then for the next dish, I had some leftover pasta, so I added some butter and cheese and garlic to a pan, and I kind of just made a quick cheesy roux with salt and pepper. And I think I added onion powder and then some everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's. And I just cooked it on low heat with my pasta for a little bit until it all combined smoothly. And then we did have a salad with dinner, and I made some hard-boiled eggs, and we had some leftover rotisserie chicken. So it was just kind of a leftovers night. So don't be afraid to eat up those leftovers and kind of create something new from them. For the next night, I had bought this like harvest blend from Trader Joe's. I never shop at Trader Joe's, but I had a gift card, so I decided to shop there and got a few things, and I thought this sounded really good. And I decided to kind of brown it before adding in my liquid. And then, of course, I forgot to show you, I saved the liquid from that crock pot chicken that I did the other night and used that as the base for my harvest blend. I also made some asparagus, and I just put salt and pepper on it and baked it in the oven. And then we did have more rotisserie chicken. I had bought a rotisserie chicken earlier that week at Costco, and we ate it a few nights in a row. And then this harvest blend that I got from Trader Joe's did turn out really, really good. I believe I added some salt and pepper to it as well. And that was dinner. We had some potato salad and then some just broken pieces of bread with it. You'll see the potato salad in another video here shortly. For the next night, I had seen kind of it's called cowboy casserole or something on Pinterest, and I kind of made a version of that. It's kind of like a modified shepherd's pie, let's just say that. And I did some ground beef, and then to the ground beef, I did actually add some bacon fat on the bottom as my oil. I did onion powder, pepper, and then I did this cream of chicken. I did add some frozen vegetables as well as a little bit more water to give it a little bit more liquid. And then I let that cook to get the vegetables cooked. And I did add some cheese. Sorry if you hear my son in the background. And then I added this bag of frozen hash browns I had in the freezer, and I just baked it in the oven for about 40 minutes at 375, I believe. until it was cooked all the way through, and that was dinner, and it was really, really delicious. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.